Kaseng Kongres kabadan hakaliang Persya kaloong bahakapor bakadangdan hakabor kaladep banyakran haka CLP halor ki khat artali ki jaka ki bahab kerja khaput berkejala Assam da kababu Ahmad ikajing mentoy ki paitba habaikran biklab thai khubor unang ilam kaliang Persya Dr. Mukul Sangma ulai thu baladep pelong rui ki jia merjimut berbaro ki badan benta barkani ka kam khaput barkijing tho ki download halor kini ki jia kran baro ladep penkre baladep ruban IT yakini shikasor karasam hakapor badan ka jia lang banyakran halor ka jia khaput.
Our stand is to be read on the basis of the documentation that we have submitted. Okay, that is our stand. Very clear. Now, if in course of their discussion, if they can convince, okay, people go by something else, that is a different thing. But then the thing is that we have tried to understand the sentiment of the people. We have tried to understand the facts from the ground zero vis-a-vis various records available before us. And how this particular issue evaded resolution. Obviously, because this resolution could not be comprehended properly in absence of the proper documentation. So we did spend lots of time in documentation. You will remember, we were alleged of not being able to see immediately. Because, see, honestly speaking, I have shared it before all of you earlier that I thought all the records were available. The whole documentation to substantiate our claim and justify our claim were all available with the government in 2010. But it was not available. Only when I had a review at my level, then the Revenue Department ultimately confessed that we didn't have enough documents to really substantiate. We were in the process of collection. Then we had to, ultimately even go beyond the records which were available within the four walls of the government office. We asked for any available records available with any of the citizens of Meghalaya. We did it, and we received many, which ultimately amplified whatever records were available with the government. That's why we had an exhaustive documentation. It took time. But the thing is that when you want to justify your claim, you have to be, in a stronger wicket.
Kumtau Dr. Mukul Uloong, baki jia kran mentanang ni shakmat, kidei ban board bat pensyong nong rim hakini kijing tho.
They are new to this subject. They'll have to study all the aspects of this problem from the perspective of what are those factors which have been taken into consideration in course of various discussions in the past, and any decisions in that kind of discussion that was arrived at. Unless they acclimatize themselves with those records, it will be very difficult for any officer to understand what exactly is the ground reality. They are completely dislocated from the ground reality. I am telling you, even our officers, they are posting left and right officers. When will they acclimatize with the issue? Do you think all the DCs are acclimatized with the problem of border? It is not. That's why I am saying this government is anti-people. Most useless government. Do you think the officers in the Revenue Department know about the border problem? All of them? No. I have seen it myself when I was the Chief Minister. So, they are transferring and posting DCs left and right, SPs left and right. For whose interest? See, these people have destroyed this state. They have destroyed the system. If the system is destroyed, institutions are destroyed, there will be complete dislocation. That's the reason why our officers are not being able to protect and articulate the things appropriately. Because they don't even know. There should be stability of the officers. You look at West Kharsil DC. One of the DCs during our time we kept for more than 6 years. Why? Because it is necessary sometimes to retain an officer. These are for the purpose of protecting our people. Many people will not know unless people are analytical about these decisions. That's why I'm saying governance is not everybody's cup of tea. Where is the Chief Minister now? Please find out. Is he within the country or outside the country? Please find out. When people are dying because of COVID, and when such an important issues are being discussed, when some of the MLAs will be going and visiting the areas of difference without doing any homework,